What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis I'm sorry, of Hathor against USDT on KuCoin. KuCoin is the biggest exchange listing HTR, which is the abbreviation. Price actually went above the all-time high here. All-time high was, I believe, 1.89, at least on KuCoin. And now you can see that the candle actually closed below that all-time high. So in my opinion, let's just get right into this price prediction, price analysis. We have not necessarily reached the top yet, but we could definitely see a big drop from here. Just because it's the all-time high, that means it's a very strong resistance area. Also some fips right here, but it actually went over it. So I do think that if we find a break, retest, support on anywhere between 1.85 and ultimately let's say 1.72, that we can see another move up. So I think the next resistance then would be at around 2.25, which is not that much higher, but it's like let's see, it's like 12.5% higher. I do think we can close there, and from there on out I do think we will see a bigger pullback, at least to the 2.0 again. But then we need to find support here at anywhere between 1.84 and 1.72. If we do not, I think we drop down to at least 1.58. And from 1.58, yeah, we could also reach this 2.25, but I just think it's way more likely that from this area we will see a consolidation of some of these sorts. So a consolidation between ultimately 1.5 and 1.9, something like this. And what happens a lot of the times is that when such a consolidation comes and not really enough buyers come in, or new buyers come, you will see that that consolidation drops down a little bit more. In my opinion, that would be at around 1.41 in a bull market. In a bear market, if we get into a bear market, I could see it even dropping down to 1.16. But I wouldn't worry about this 1.16 or 1.41 right now. I do think this 1.58 up until 1.5, well, kind of like, I do think the 1.5 is strong enough to at least hold up HTR and find some sort of consolidation. And then I don't think that this will necessarily happen right now. If we do get a bearish November still, I do think we can see a drop in down to 1.41 or 1.17. So just keep that in mind. But at this moment, I don't see that happening. I mean, still this scenario could be in play as well. But as I said, it really needs to hold in the upcoming 4 to 8 hours. On at least the 1.72. Otherwise, I do think we will see a consolidation slash accumulation slash range, whatever you want to call it, between 1.5 and 1.9, which could ultimately lead to another bullish leg up or an uptrend, but that would be too much in the future to predict right now already. That really depends on the price action it does within that consolidation. So yeah, I basically think that is what is next for Hathor. So yeah, take a look. If you're watching this video right now, take a look what has happened right now. You can also see right here on my screen right there what exact levels these fips are, if you do want to write them down. So yeah, I think this is what will happen in the upcoming days and weeks. One of these things, at least, and this one we will see in the next hours if that will happen. If you have any questions about this analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye.